Hey, नमस्कार दोस्तों.
So how are you friends out there? This is your friend Kumar Aayush and I'm back here to give you a new video on some words that you need to learn to start before starting video editing or anything related to it before because these words help you understand video editing better, and understanding video editing and its words is the first step before starting video editing. Yes friends, if you're planning to start video editing, then this is a must watch video for you, because in this video I'm again telling you that I'm telling you some words that you need to learn before starting video editing. And if you like this video, please share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel App Reflection, and hit that like button also. And thanks for your motivation if you liked it. So friends, let me open the Vlogit app here, because if I'm telling you video editor words, how can the video be complete without using any video editor? So let me tell you in a brief that Vlogit is a video editing app that is specialized for YouTubers and vloggers. And if I've also done a review of this app, so if you want to check it out, link is in the description, and it was in Hindi. And then I'm planning to start convert it into English also, so comment on this feature and then you can see here that it's a very the most basic feature, the important most feature of any video editor is choosing the media clips from your library. That if you can't choose any video clips, then how can you edit your videos, man? So first choose a media file. Then you can see on the bottom there are many other text written on, and there are the many features every basic video editor has. First is text. You can overlay any text on this video or your media files, and with any many of the fonts are available, many of the animations are available which you can use. And in audio section you are given music effects, that music effects and voiceover, that you can just add your voice over the video. It is helpful if you are giving any tutorials. And pip, one of the most used features of video editors is pip. You can add a media file, a video or a photo file over a video file, so that if you are telling something that this is it or this is it, you can show this. And then transition, the change from one clip to the other media file, that is one media file to the other media file, in a very interesting manner is transition. So it is a very one of the most important features if you want to make your videos interesting, like the one I've used here. And many other transitions are also available. They vary from video editor to video editor, and you can choose which type of video editor is best for you. So a transition is one of the most important things in a video. Then let's move on to our another feature, that is controlling the speed of the video. Speed of the video is one of the most important features. If you are if you want the viewers to understand the best of your video, then you should know at what speed it's necessary. And then it comes the filters. Filters are used to give effects to your videos. Like if you want it a little romantic, then you can add a little reddish filter, a bit serious, then a yellowish one, and then there are adjustments given to you. And you know that these are basically available in all photo editors. And the most important feature is that comes up here is trim. They trim the unwanted part from the left and right, that is the starting and the end of the video. And then split, you can turn one video into several videos. Like the video I've chosen here, I can turn this into 15, 16 and any number of video files according to my imagination. Then the next which comes here is crop. and then rotate and duplicate. In crop, you just need to you can remove the unwanted part of the videos. That is what you do with the photo files, that you crop them. Like if you something that is unwanted in the photo, you remove them. There's a big difference between crop and trim, so you need to understand it. And then it's my video editing dictionary. So where are you going? Two words are still left. Rotate. Rotate, you can rotate the video files you choose according to your wish to any angle, and duplicate, you can add another clip like the one you choose in the video. So this is it guys, thanks for watching, see you till the next video.